So now we have two types of prompts. So you have understood what is prompt. Now let's talk about the types of prompts. So we basically have two types, that is prompts by example and direct prompts. So now let me just make you understand with example. Okay, so let's see the first example with prompts by example. So here you can see I'm in playground, like you all know that chatgpt.openai.com. Similarly, we have platform.openai.com/playground, or you can just basically OpenAI is the company who has created ChatGPT and Playground only. So Playground is just a model to teach GPT. Okay, in a very simple language, you can just search for Chat, or let's say OpenAI Playground. Just search for this, and oops, OpenAI Playground. Just search for this, you will come here directly to their platform. Okay, Playground platform. From here you can see by default GPT 3.5 turbo is selected. Let's make it complete. Okay, so that is how you can just come to Playground. So here if we just talk about prompts by example, so here you can see I have asked one question: what is the capital of India? So I have also formatted the answer. The capital of India is New Delhi. So similarly, I have put one more question: what is the capital of USA? Okay, and if you will click on the submit button, okay, so you can see it will going to give you the response in the same way which we have given in the example. Okay, so this is what it is called as prompts by example. Now what is direct prompts? So basically direct prompt is that you just go directly and you just directly ask what is the capital of India. Okay, or let's say what is the capital of USA. Okay, just ask direct question and then it will going to respond you. So this is the second type, which is direct prompt. So hope you guys have understood the two types of prompts we have, that is prompt by examples and direct prompts.